jutai rajaro kripke sangan thaw claim thala du dini ja bokha Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ni Foundation Day tara langso difu hapai ha dini slide ora jing ke jama bani klai da jing budwa thanglai langdu 10 but 10:30 11 nefrang program dong rebane jing bo thangdu origin sakang difuni DC sar bo thangdu skip puno nang bo ke oh ko sakang so tigala Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council di Foundation Day aro tagline maithe jang 75 years platinum jubilee kalai phnangdu so boke bide celebrate klaidu boke anske phunang na bide to 75 platinum jubilee taglai Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ni Foundation Day di putara lang soha salaidu rasinja sarbo open stage so nisinai niske bo phunang bide hesalai leka tagline maithe so finally dua sopai kya era dia agak mulai mana na beda era jang di fiti so finally jing tara langso sopai kya jo era Foundation Day celebration selai gini wah oh nai so era pura ready jaka almost ready so Foundation Day celebration ke laida almost ready ja tharka khrep jadi are ibo hata bochi preparation khlai ba law sakha ode he dini goibo program basain 75th Council Foundation Day par haja bathike de difuni tara langso hapaya nice sakang de ekdam gari jam ja tharka pura majang siklai de
Second place on Glory Singh. On the 13 boys single, Borkantera, Adutur. Silver place on Bake, Rian Borua. On the 15 girls single on gold medal Chipalongpan, Pratiksha Datta. Second place on silver medal Chipalongpan, on Meshari Tisopi. Adutu on the 15 boys singles along Bake gold medal Chipalongpan, Jaichuan Boro. Sarkam team Tombi, Alitom Bangi, Ali Pachinington, Sarkam team Tombi, Giltom open men's double, Labrake, open women's double along, Kajengsia Banke, Sampita Rampi, Ben Germany, Pes Japalompono, non getting Pono, Lake Mongler, Lapanke Young, Piconia, Nagaland.
I'm going to go with another Narane. What on the name with that?
Tempo, like Samuel Therapy, allowing them open LP School of the Coastal. Sima Sopi, allowing them authority upon LP School of the Petanglo. Other of the Petanglo. Other to Babu Rampar, allowing Babu Rampar. Other to Sanjay Wi-Fi. Alam niyo ang Molhoy LP School, Bogotang Block, Sitaniko.